Hey again, this is Miss Lourdes, and today we'll be drawing fall leaves. For this drawing, you'll need paper and any pencil you want to draw with. Let's begin. First, we'll be drawing a leaf from an oak tree. Just follow along. First, I will be drawing a line that will connect to the leaf stem. Then I'm going to use a wavy line to create the leaf. This leaf is larger at the top and narrower at the bottom. Last are the leaves' vines. Just draw diagonal lines coming out from the middle line. Next, we'll be drawing leaves from a rowan tree. Draw a line first. All our leaves will be attached to this. First, let's draw the last leaf and leaves branching out. Next, let's draw a leaf from an elm tree. This leaf is going to be sort of round, so I'm going to draw lightly first. And with this one, I'm actually going to start with the vines. And I'm going to finish it off by drawing a spiky line all the way around. Next, let's draw one that's a bit harder. Let's draw a red maple leaf. Starting with a line. Then I'm going to use triangle shapes to make it a bit easier. So draw a triangle shape at the top of your line. I'm going to continue to draw two vines coming out of the middle vine, then another triangle on each vine. I'm going to draw two more vines coming out of the bottom and two more triangles out of each vine. Have them connect to the middle vine. And there you have an outer outline for a maple leaf. Next, we're going to draw in the details, so just follow along. last you will draw the vines. Next, let's draw an easier one, which is a leaf from a sumac tree. This one is long and narrow. And the last one will be a leaf from a yellow birch tree. And we're done. I hope you had fun drawing fall leaves with me. Don't forget, you can color in your leaves using warm colors. That's it for now. See you next time.